Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. Lindemeyer, and I'm just coming at you with a quick introduction video for the Foundations of Economics, which is our first unit, so welcome to economics. This unit we're going to talk about things like scarcity, trade-offs, opportunity costs, production costs, and how businesses are owned and operated. I like this unit because it's one that you can apply to your life. Like, have you ever thought about how you spend your time after school? That's you using scarce resources, your time, right? And what you choose to spend your time on really helps you make the best economic decisions. So we'll kind of look at that in this particular unit. At the end of the unit, you're going to demonstrate your learning with a technology project. You'll have a choice of how you want to demonstrate your knowledge, and you'll also have a choice of topics. So I'm really looking forward to that. Please make sure message me through the Canvas system, that inbox over on the left, if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.